Hi, my name is Zach Fuchs, and in this video I will describe the process and measures taken to create this accurate and precise AutoCAD master plan. First, we begin by importing a background of the design into AutoCAD. This image serves as a template that will help to accurately replicate the image. Once we have the desired image, it is important to first scale it to 1:1. This is defined as scaling the drawing to real-world measurements. To do this, we locate a distance with a known value and use the scale tool to enter its real-world measurements into AutoCAD. In this case, the known measurement was the length of the doorway. This will scale the whole drawing to that measurement and help to eliminate confusion as the design process progresses. To do any of this, the user must be in the model space. The model space is one of the 3 tabs available on the bottom left of the screen and is basically where all the work to the design will be done. While in the model space, the user will have access to all the different drawing and modification tools needed to complete a design. All the drawing tools are fairly simple to use and are located on the top left of the Home tab in AutoCAD. The most common tools used in this design are the line, polyline, circle, and arc tools. The line and polyline tools allow the user to draw in clean and precise lines to form things such as the house, driveway, and patio. The line and polyline tool only differ in that the polyline tool allows multiple lines to be drawn and selected as one cohesive line. The line and other tools can also be modified to accentuate certain features. To do this, the command must be done in the noun-verb process. This means that the user must select the object they would like to modify first, then choose the type of modification they desire. The model space also offers a variety of features to make the design process smoother and more accurate. These features can be located in the bottom right status bar in the model space. The first one I want to mention is called the Object Snap Tracking. This snap feature allows the user to seamlessly connect lines and snap to different points of the design. The polar tracking and dynamic input features also help to create a neat and comprehensive design by restricting cursor movement to specified angles and keeping lines level within the design. The grips feature, as shown here, allows you to modify lines and shapes from the ends or midpoint. For example, the grips on the edge of the circle allow the user to adjust the size of the shape, whereas the mid-grip controls the movement. The grips on arcs are also very important because they allow the user to adjust the radius of a single arc or multiple that are connected. The offset tool creates an exact copy of a given shape but scaled to a different size. This allows for the creation of windows and doorways in the design. Layers are used to organize and manage the information. Objects or lines in the design can be assigned to different layers by opening up the Layer Properties menu. This menu allows the user to give a name to each layer as well as add, delete, and turn them off. Individual layers will be assigned to their corresponding element of the design and are color-coded. They can be easily modified in the Control menu, and objects can be added to a given layer by selecting them, then clicking on the desired layer. The little light bulb also gives the user the ability to turn off a given layer. Each layer is assigned a color because it makes it easier to point out different aspects of the design. The blocks are parts of the design that cannot be added directly through AutoCAD. Some of these items include tables, chairs, and fire pits. To outsource them, the user can navigate to the given website and select the blocks they want to add to the design and download them to the computer. Then the blocks can be copied into AutoCAD and pasted onto the design. Before the blocks can be located, they must be scaled using the process I explained previously. CAD blocks are used to give the viewer a better perspective of the drawing and to show scale. Once the design has been completed, it must be brought into the paper space. Paper space is opened by clicking on one of the layout tabs on the bottom left corner and is used to show what the design will look like when printed. In this space, the user can scale the design to fit the viewport. The viewport is the line in which the design falls into and will not be visible when printed. Once the design has been completed, it can be printed to Adobe using the drop-down menu in the top left corner. Overall, I enjoyed using this program and would recommend it to anyone in the industry.